Well, thank you everybody for tuning in this week to Cooking with Chuck. For those that are our regular viewers, thank you for coming back, and for your new viewers, thank you for tuning in. So let's not waste any time today. Let's get right to it. We're going to go to some suggestions that people have sent in, and we found one that was absolutely spectacular. It was a lady up in Michigan called Victoria, and I have the letter, but I'm just going to summarize what she said. And basically what happened was that she works second shift. She lives out in the country, and she came home late after second shift. She got home around 11 o'clock or so. And the next day they were going to have a party, and she needed to bake a cake, and she went to the cupboard to get her pan, and there wasn't any. And I think all of you know that if you don't coat the pan with Pam, that you're going to have a problem. So she's trying to think what she could do. She didn't want to use butter or Crisco or anything like that. And finally it dawned on her that her husband has always said that WD-40 can be used for anything. So she thought that that might be a great idea. So she went out to the garage and got the WD-40. And she was going to use that instead of the pan. She's never tried it before. There's only a couple problems with WD-40. One, it's toxic. The other is that it has fumes that are horrible. So, knowing that, you got to be quite careful and have the vent on and other precautions like that. If you can do it outside, it's probably even better than doing it inside. But anyway, what we're going to do here is spray the pan here with WD-40 and cook an egg, and then I'm going to have my assistant, Charlie, taste it and see how he thinks. He doesn't really understand what we're doing here, so he's going to be an original taster to see how good this is here. So I'm going to take the WD-40. This is the new kind of can that WD-40 is coming in here with the hose, which really works really nice. It goes down. Before you used to have to slip them in and they would slip off and so on, but this is nice here. So we're going to just put a little bit on here. We don't need a lot. And there we go. Oh, that's going to be wonderful. Oh, nice. So we have the WD-40 in the pan right now. We're going to put it on the stove and put an egg in there just to test to see how it works. And I have my assistant Charlie, who's going to help me out with the taste test here, see what he thinks. And as far as I know, he's never had a WD-40 egg before, and I know he's looking forward to it. Aren't you, Charlie?
I am.
Baste it a little bit here, so it's so good. See how nice and easy it is to get around here?
Yeah.
Oh. No sticking. It's just cooking nicely. Couple minutes here. We're ready. I'm going to flop it over here a little bit so it'll cook faster. Have you come over and take a... Let me give you the fork right here.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at the nice caramelized WD-40 on the bottom there. That's wonderful. I might just take a crack here for you, Charlie, so it's all ready to go. So why don't you come on over? Let me turn the stove off. Try that.
Yeah?
Tell me that's not the best egg you've ever had in your life.
Okay. See this part right here?
Right there.
Alright.
Swish it around a little bit in the WD-40 there.
I want to make sure it's
So you got
squeaky clean here. You know. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, going in.
Yep, going in. Oh.
My God.
Is that nice?
Oh. It's like heaven on earth.
Heaven on earth.
Really. Really, I'm never gonna have eggs the same ever again.
Well,
Wow.
so there it is, everybody. We'll see you next week. Thank you for tuning in.
Get one more little.
You want a little more, there we go. We'll see you next week. Thank you. So, if you have an idea that's a unique idea that you might have in the kitchen and you'd like a little exposure on it, send it in to us at cookingwithchuck.com/suggestions. And you may be on the air next. And as our current suggester had, we're sending them a check for $10,000. So till next week, bon appetit.